In this video, I'll be showing you the simple ways of how to configure automatic replies with automatic rules in Microsoft Outlook. So let's say you're about leaving the office for like 2 weeks or a month, you're going on holiday and you want to configure automatic replies. So what you need to do is just to go to File, and here you can see we have automatic replies. So when you click on it, definitely you want to select the days or the weeks or months that you'll be absent from work. So you want to select sent, and then you can actually select only sent during. Then we can just choose, for example, I want to choose from the 19th to like the 2nd of April. But we still have some other options we can configure, for example, rules. So you want every single mail that comes in from a particular person to be redirected to someone else or to a specific mail, to a specific folder in your inbox. So what you need to do is, you can see we have our rules here. So when I click on rules, you can see it says add rule. So let's click on add rule. So from the add rule, you can see it says when a message arrives that meets the following condition. So for example, we can say from. So I can decide to choose, let me just choose my email address, for example. Just choose that and then put from, or we can just say from info, and then just select OK. So what I want to do is the following. I want to send it to the following. I can actually send it to this email, or I can actually send it to a different email. But if I go down here, you can see we have some other messages here. We can actually create a subject. We can actually also add a message body. But we can decide to move the message that comes from info@curveglobal.com. We can actually move it to a specific folder. Here you can see we can actually move it to a specific folder. I can decide to say I want to move it to a specific folder. Let me just select that and click OK. And then we can actually copy that mail also to a specific folder, or we can actually forward to someone else. We can actually add the email here, or we can just select that mail and then put it there. So right now you can see it says the method is actually standard. We can decide to actually leave message intact or insert message as an attachment. So you can see we have different options, or we can actually reply with a template. Here you can decide to actually choose a customized template you've actually configured. But at the same time, here you can see we can just decide, okay, here we have the custom. I think we can not do much here. So you can see you can actually do a lot of the you can do a lot with the edit roles, which you can actually say we want to actually send it to. For example, let me just select Kelvin there as well. So we want to send this mail to, we can actually choose a different email address, and we can also say copied the says, you can say also it should also leave a copy to you. So here we can also go to the advanced options. So you can see we have different, you can actually manipulate the roles yourself. We can try to say, okay, if it matches, for example, at least a specific kilobyte, and also receive from a specific date to a specific date, and then the mail will be sent. You can say, okay, from this day to this day, just these 2 days, this mail should be forwarded to someone else. So that is how you actually create automatic replies, and then add some automatic rules, also some rules with advanced options to your Microsoft Outlook.